everyone, this is Dawn. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to my new Stampin' Up business. So I'm going to share with you a few of the pages from the new annual Stampin' Up catalog. It goes from May 1st, a couple days ago, until April 30th of 2025. Okay, so there are over almost 150 pages in this book, so I'm not going to share all the pages, just a selection and some of the products that I purchased. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump right in. The first page of note that I wanted to point out is this one, basic card design. And this page on page 22, it's got some card designs here that are some good ideas, a jumping off point for inspiration for design. So take note of that page, and I might show you some card designs that I create using some of these. Okay, and then the next thing I'm going to show you, the next section that I'm going to point out is the Sweet collections, and these are similar to the paper collections from Close to My Heart. So I just think this one's really pretty. I haven't ordered it yet, but I plan to. And Sweet collection has everything here that you see, and it the combined total, it has a 10% off bundle savings if you want to get everything. So, or it parts it out and you can get things. And this is also a discounted bundle right here as well if you get the stamps plus the dies. Okay, really pretty. All right, next collection is called Take to the Sky, and I have the papers and also the paper packs come with 12 sheets compared to the Close to My Heart packs that had 6 sheets. So, okay, let's go ahead and pull this out. We can take a look at, okay, this is a cut apart, similar to Picture My Life cards. You can put on scrapbook pages. And then the flip side, we've got a map with airplanes. And then we have airplanes on graph paper. And the flip side, a nice plaid. And then map. It almost looks like New England Ivy from Close to My Heart. I'm going to have to learn all of the new Stampin' Up colors, so bear with me. This is all new. They also don't have zip strips with the color names on them. However, the sheet that's a backer in the package, it does list all of the key colors that are part of the collection. So I'll just read them to you in this one. Boho Blue, Copper Clay, Mossy Meadow, Night of Navy, and Smoky Slate. Okay. All right. So this almost looks like fabric, kind of. And then airplanes, and it's like on a graph paper. And that's interesting. Sort of geometric print. It's a good collection for masculine cards or outdoor layouts. I like that one with clouds. On the flip side, got a plaid, airplanes, and then the background are clouds. And then the flip side, it's a topographic map. Nice. So that's Take to the Sky. And then the next collection, this is on my wish list. It's called Wildly Flowering, and I love these dies. They could be really useful. So they're etched dies. So this has, I think, the little dots around the edges of that frame, and then etchings. So that's cool. And then I like this embossing folder as well. So it's on my list. Okay, next thing is Thoughtful Journey, and this is also on my list. I especially like these. Now these are 6x6 designer paper, and you get 48 sheets. So I have ordered these, so you'll see some creations with these pattern papers in the future. And then we have Country Woods. So I ordered the paper and then also the embossing folder. So this says some of them are cut and embossed, but this is just an embossing folder, and it's your basic embossing folder. So they do have 3D ones with Stampin' Up, but this is a regular one. So it's got that nice lace background. So I have that, and then I got the Country Woods papers as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at these. So the, if I can get them out. So, and I have hoarded my Close My Heart zip top bags, so I will be transferring them over. The colors in this collection are Basic Beige, Basic Gray, Crumb Cake, Early Espresso, Gray Granite, Misty Moonlight, Pecan Pie, Petal Pink, Pool Party, Smoky Slate, and Wild Wheat. Okay. I'm going to be using a lot of the Close My Heart ink colors while I build my collection. This is nice with the blue. And I'll try to put out, maybe on my Facebook page, a color comparison. So those of you that have Close My Heart inks can continue using those and mix them in with some of the new Stampin' Up collections. This is nice. It's like a beachy kind of wood. And then that's nice. A dark wood grain, like a walnut. And then we've got some weathered wood. That's pretty. A light oak. And this is like beech weathered. And like a light walnut. And that's it's also distressed and a little bit beat up looking. And then that's nice. Kind of a peach color. And then we have this one. And the flip side, another weathered wood. That's nice. And then the flip side. Cool. That'll be fun to work with. Okay, so that is Country Woods. And then the next collection is Unbounded Beauty. And I got this one as well. Now, every year, I believe it is, Stampin' Up! Comes out with what they call the In Colors collection, and it's 5 new colors, and it's kind of like the color of the year, but instead of just one, you get 5, and I believe they're in this collection. So we have Berry Burst, Calypso Coral, Peach Pie, Petunia Pop, Pretty in Pink, Pretty Peacock, Shy Shamrock, and Summer Splash. Super pretty. Okay, so we've got this one, this floral, and the base. It's almost like Lagoon, a little bit brighter. That's pretty. I like that one. And that's pretty too. And lots of florals, and then some basics to combine them with. This one, like that. Ooh, that's pretty. It's like a wild berry. And that's kind of cool too. Tie-dye looking. And that one as well. And the flip side. Nice. Really pretty. Okay. And then I've marked this page because I like these dies. It's called Spotlight on Nature. And you get 12 dies. And I've got these on order, so they are shipping to me now. So I'm looking forward to using those. And then I got this bundle, In the Grove bundle. So I got both the cling stamps and the dies. So these, I haven't set these up yet, but this is how they come. You get, these are like red rubber stamps. And I'll be creating with those soon. It'll be good for hiking and outdoors layouts. And then these are the dies, and I'll be putting these on some magnet sheets that I ordered off Amazon because I'm not really fond of the taped down situation here. So, but you get lots of dies in these collections. You've got this little fox and a little squirrel and a rabbit. And then you get the cutouts for the mountains, and then details for the mountains, and the birch background, and then a tree line here as well. So nice. Got lots of options with this collection. Okay, that is in the Grove. And then next collection. Okay, so I'm going to show you this page here. After you see all the new collections, then you'll see several collections, and they call it Encore. And so these were in a previous catalog, or they were online only, and now they're in the catalog, I think. I'm sure again I'm getting a lot of these details wrong, so maybe these have been seen before, so that's what they mean by Encore. So hang on to those old catalogs, because you'll still get inspiration from a lot of these designs. So this one is super old, and I'm just judging by the item numbers. So a lot of the newer products, the item numbers start with 163, and these are 157. So I believe this one has been around for a very long time, but I really like it, and I want to combine it with the other set that I just got, and this is called Grassy Grove. So I've ordered this with the dies. So it's got some deer and some more trees, and this background die. So that one I like. And then Forever Forest, can always use tree stamps and dies, right? At least I can. So I want to order that one. That's on my wish list. So there's a whole bunch of these Encore stamp sets. So I'm going to skip ahead, and this page features the Designer Series paper assortments, and they have collections of colors. So there's the subtles, the brights, the regals, and neutrals, and then there's the in color from that just launched 24 to 26. The in color colors, they last for 2 years. And so then there's the in color colors from 23 to 25 that are still good for another year. So you can get these designs in a pack in these color collections. So I'm going to get a couple of those, and you'll see me creating with these. And then there's cardstock assortments. So you can get packs of just one color, or you can get the assortments also in the subtles, brights, regals, neutrals, etc. So that's a good way to just get a taste of the colors. So I believe you get 2 sheets of each in the pack. So we'll see. I have them on order, and when they come, I'll find out for sure. Now this one, I saw this little peek of paper here, and I love it. So I had to order it, and again, it was from last year, but it's in this catalog, and it's, when I ordered it, it did note that they were running out of stock. So if you like this, I would say order quickly, because I believe when they're out, except it is in the catalog. So I don't know for sure, but it said low quantities when I ordered it. So just so you know. Okay, the colors in this, it's called Winter Meadow, and the colors are Basic Black, Blueberry Bushel, Garden Green, Lost Lagoon, Misty Moonlight, Moody Mauve, Pebbled Path, Pretty Peacock, Shaded Spruce, and Smoky Slate. A lot of tongue twisters for their color names, but look at that. It's gorgeous. I love it. It'd be great for outdoors pictures. Look at that. So pretty. I need to order more. And look at this one with the tree line with the deer. And the flip side. Nice neutral. We've got some berries and that flip side. They're so pretty. It's almost like frosted glass, kind of. Ooh, look at that. Love that one. So pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Glad the other side. This is okay, but yeah. When you have to choose, that's the one. And this one, that's pretty. And the flip side, ooh, that's a pretty color blue. And more trees. Love it. And the flip side. So pretty. So you'll see some outdoors layouts and such with this collection for sure. So pretty. All right, and then the next one that I marked is the color theory. This is great because it has all of the Stampin' Up! Colors and their color families. So it's just a really good tool to use to check out all the colors. And then something else that I got is this is linen thread. So they have lots of ribbons and threads, and I'm not sure exactly what page they're on in the catalog. I still have to get the catalog figured out. It's huge. So yeah, so I will find that, but there's lots of different ribbons, but I thought this linen thread could be very useful. And I'm glad that there's lots of different sequins and bling and lots of different ribbons to choose from. So this is all that I'm going to show you from the catalog today. I will put a link below where you can go to my website, and you'll be able to see a digital version of this catalog, and you can spend as much time as you like taking a look at everything that's available. But I just wanted to give you a little taste of the new catalog, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. And then you'll be able to find all of my videos. And thanks for watching.